Hello friends, welcome to my channel Future Bright with Keshav, and today we will talk about closures in JavaScript. Okay, so closure is a combination of functions bundled together. Enclosed means we have a function inside a function. Okay, and called the lexical scoping, and we will talk about the lexical environment also. And a closure, basically a closure give us access to an outer function's scope from an inner functions. Okay, so today we will understand about the code that how to work with closures in JavaScript. Okay, so we have a Visual Studio and browser here. Once you can make a setup first, please. Then here copy path and control V. Okay, then what we learn today? Closures. RES closures controllers. Okay, now I have created a JavaScript file closures.js. So here first I will take a function. Okay, we have take a function as a init. Okay, this is the parent function, or we have called the outer function, and here take a variable name and name as a ratio. Okay, and inside a function we have take another function. Okay, and display name. Okay, display name. So what is that? This is the variable, local variable. Okay, local variable, and this this is the inner function, or called the closure. Okay, and this function have access to the name. Okay, when outer functions scope from the inner functions. Okay, we can access the outer functions variable inside the inner function. Okay, that is called the closure. Okay, so here we have display name. Okay, and at last we have called here init function, init here. Okay, so what I have done here, first I have take a parent method init. Okay, and inside parent method we have a variable name, local variable, and inside the parent function we have a inner function display name, and inside inner function we can access the value of name from the outer function. Okay, and here print the value for the display name. This is the example of the lexical scoping. When we access the name variable inside a inner function from the outer function scope is called the lexical scoping. Okay, so when we control S and here open the console, control shift I. So when we on the console, then refresh, then you can see print the name case assume. Okay, this is called the lexical scoping and closure. Okay, now I have if we create another function, talk about the another example. Okay, example number 2, we have a function here as a make adder. Okay, and it takes an argument x, and return another function, and it have a parameter y, and this function return x plus y, sum up both variable. Okay, x plus y, now both variable. And okay, so this is also a closure function. This is also a closure here. Okay, and in the factory function, in the function factory, we will create another function. Okay, cost add 5 here equal, and call here the function make header and pass a argument 5. Okay, and take another constant add 10 and call here the function make header and pass the value 10. Okay, so in the function factory we have created two new functions. Okay, add 5 and add 10. Okay, and both have a same function body, but store in the different lexical environment. Okay, add 5 have a uh, x equal to 5 environment, and add 10 have a different environment which take the value 10. Okay, and when we log the both add 5, and in the another line take add 10, control s, and you can see here the value 7 and a. Okay, here I add 5 have a argument. Okay, so here we have to pass argument as a 2. You can take anything, and I have take a 5. Okay, so what it will be print, it print 5 plus 2 7 and 10 plus 5 15. Okay, so when we refresh the browser, you can see the value 7 and 15. Okay, so here I have taken a function make header which return a function and pass the value y, and this return function return the sum of x plus y. Okay, sum of x and y. And in the function factory we have created two new functions, add 5 and add 10. Okay, and both have the same function body, but have the different lexical environment. Okay, you can see add 5 have a environment here too, and add 10 have the environment here 5. Okay, and print the value here 7 and 15. Okay, so this is the closure and lexical scoping in the JavaScript. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you want that code, then you can access the link from the description down. Thanks for watching.